Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Recently I got the Porsche Taycan 20,000 mile service, so now it's time to upgrade and get some service in for Tesla Y. But Tesla Y, when I looked it up, you just have to change some filters. I bought these HEPA filters, the Tesla website. It was fairly cheap, maybe $17 each, and you need 2 of them. Like, I think it's a carbon filters. And this is a 2022 Tesla Model Y. I believe the new model, second generation Tesla Y is coming out, and I believe the code name is Juniper. I asked if she wants to upgrade to the new Tesla Y, and she has no interest. Maybe I might upgrade her to Tesla X, the bigger SUV, or some kind of other electric vehicle. Maybe EQS, I'm not sure. But anyways, so to install these are genuine Tesla parts. So on the side, look at this, that's the part number. And you need 2 of them. So what you need to install it is just some kind of a pry tool. You don't even need it. You just need maybe a flathead screwdriver, and that's it. Just have to work on from the passenger side. The very first thing you want to do is move this all the way to the back, so it gives you more space to work with. Or remove your floor mat or all-weather floor mat like what I have here. Okay, so first thing, you want to move this wall. It's the option thing that I put so it doesn't get scratched. Okay, remove that. This is a separate option that I put in. I forgot about that option I put. See, it looks new. Then you want to pry this out. So reach in and you want to pop this out. Okay, perfect. This is the filter area. Okay, so what we have to remove is these clips and then bring this down and pull this down. Just like that, it pops off. So you can unplug these like that. Okay, you just have to pop it out. That's it. So from here, you have to open this bolt. That's simple. One up top and the one on the bottom, because it's on top of each other. You just have to pull it out. And this is 20,000 mile old filter. Doesn't look that bad. And then lift this up and put it like that, but make sure the arrow comes inward. There's 2 of them. I'm gonna put the bottom one first. Just put it in there and let it drop, and then make sure this tab comes out like this. That's it, and the tab is here. Okay. If you just have simple tools, you can easily do it at home. Okay, the speaker is back together. Okay, that's it. So make sure this clip goes in here, and that's it. Just there. Everything will go in easy. So put it in and push this in to lock it. And ones that are out, just put it back. That's it. Put it through, push this in, push it through. Push it in, here at the end, push it in, and push it in. That's it. Now we have to put this panel back. Okay. So that is it. So all the panel is in. Now I'm just gonna put this accessory so it doesn't get scratched. It's just a Velcro cover. And I'll put this back. And lastly, put back the all-weather floor mats. And put this back. Now you have a new air filter for next 20,000 miles. So that's it. That's all you have to do. And there's another air filter, HEPA filter, that I will change. It's underneath here. I have to remove that, but I'll do that the next time, because this is for the HEPA filter. The big HEPA filter is underneath here. That only took me 20 minutes to complete, and it was very easy. If you have just few tools, it can get a little uncomfortable because you have to really go down underneath your dash. But if you think you can do it, it's very easy, and you can save a lot of money. You just have to buy 2 filters and total maybe under $40. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.